Guys, look at what I just bought on the antique store for $25. An anthropomorphic cat with no whiskers, freakishly long arms, and no tail, which makes me mad because I think tails are super cute.
Bruh.
So I think he's a doll from Catherine's collection. I'll put a link in the description of the website. And they don't only make cat dolls, they also make human dolls. Yes, this is my doll collection. Please admire it. Took me a long time to grow. Like 2 to 3 years.
Oh my god!
She may be weird and peculiar, but guess what? We stand for weird, cute dolls.
Bruh.
Even if they look like something straight from the Uncanny Valley. I'm gonna call her Miss Kitty. Which doll do you want me to review next?